introduction to some of her passions besides music. Hope you enjoy! Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you, as my kind micro explained, I will be showing you about some of my other interests besides music. One of the main ones is chess. In chess, there are 64 squares and 32 pieces. The pieces each player has a set of pawns, rooks, knights, and bishops, and they have one king and queen each. In this game of chess, there are many openings and many variations, many variants. One of the possible hundreds of openings that there are in chess is something called the London system. It starts with white going pawn to d4, and then black going pawn to d5 or knight to f6. White plays bishop to f4, black plays knight to f6. This is a variation. White plays pawn to e3, black plays pawn to c6. White plays pawn to c4, striking in the center. Black plays bishop to f5. White plays knight to c3. Black plays pawn to e6. White plays queen to b3, and black plays queen to b6. This is a very standard position in the London system. In this position, white is slightly better by a fraction of a pawn because white has better development in the future. And because white has a little bit more central control and a little bit more space. Thank you so much for watching. Whoa! Ow! This is the grasshopper.